Hello dear students of class 6. Today we are going to study the part 7 of the chapter Scratch Programming Introduction to Game Creation. Students, in this part 7 we are going to study the topic working with multiple sprites. Now, students, previously you have studied how to work with a single sprite. Okay, you were only using single sprite. But now, with the help of this topic, you are going to learn how to work with multiple sprites or how multiple sprites can interact with each other on the stage area. So let us begin with it. In the previous class, we studied about the process to add a new sprite on the stage. Yes, you have already studied how to add the new sprite on the stage. Now let us make a project on using more than one sprite. So this time we are going to use more than one sprite. So what are the steps that we need to follow? Open the Scratch window, okay, and remove the cat sprite by right clicking on it and selecting delete option. So let us start by opening the Scratch window first. Okay, so I'm going to open my Scratch. So this is my Scratch window, and now they are asking me to delete this cat sprite. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my mouse pointer over here. I'm going to right click on this sprite and then I'm going to click on this delete option. And now the cat sprite has been deleted. Okay, so the first step is over. Moving on to the next step. The next step, students, is to click on the choose sprite from the library button, and the sprite library dialog box will open. Okay, choose people from the category section and select the ballerina sprite, and then we need to click on OK. So look at this, this is the ballerina sprite. So let us add the ballerina sprite. So this is the choose from sprite library button from where we are going to add a new sprite, okay, from the library. So click on this, and now we need to go to the people category over here, people. Okay, now in this we need to select this ballerina sprite. Okay, select the sprite and click on OK. So this sprite has come on the stage. Okay, moving on to the next step. Now select the costumes tab. Now we need to select the costumes tab of this ballerina sprite. Okay. We will notice that ballerina A, ballerina B, ballerina C and ballerina D costumes under the ballerina sprite costume list. So this sprite has how many costumes? 4 costumes. So let us see how to look at the costumes. Select that sprite and then go to this costumes tab. So you can notice that this is ballerina A. This is the first costume. The second costume of this sprite. Third costume ballerina C, and the fourth costume ballerina D. Okay. So now select ballerina A costume and adjust its position on the stage by dragging it to the desired position. So we have to bring our sprite to this position and we need to select the ballerina A costume. So let us do that. Okay, so this is the ballerina A costume. I have selected that and I'll drag this over here on the stage. This is the desired location on the stage. Now what's the next step? Again select choose sprite from library. After doing this, again select choose sprite from library button and add Jamie Sprite from the people category on the stage. Okay, now we need to add one more sprite, and for that again we will go to this choose sprite from library. Click on this button, again go to this category and select people category, and now we need to search for Jamie. Okay, so I guess this one is Jamie. Yes, select the Jamie sprite and click on OK button over here, and see the Jamie sprite has been added. Okay, now we need to see this. Look at this. Right now this blue border is around the Jamie sprite. So Jamie sprite has been selected right now. Okay, so if you go to the costumes tab of Jamie, you can see there are two costumes, Jamie A and Jamie B. Okay, Jamie A and Jamie B. There are two costumes. So what we need to do is that select Jamie B sprite from the costume list and place it as shown in figure. So we need to select which costume? Jamie B. Okay, so this is Jamie A. We need to select Jamie B. Okay, so this is Jamie B and this is the position. This is the desired position that I want to keep. See, okay. Now let's move on to the next step. Okay, select the sprites one by one and start creating the block stack step by step in the scripts area. Okay, so these are the block scripts that we need to create for these two sprites. Okay, create the scripts for both sprites separately as shown in figure 6.11 and 6.12. So this blocks, these scripts are for Jamie and this script is for the ballerina. Okay, so we will do that one by one. So first I'm going to select the Jamie sprite. See, the Jamie sprite has been selected, and then I'll come to the scripts tab. Okay, now we are going to make the script for the Jamie Sprite. So what is the script for Jamie Sprite? This is the script for Jamie Sprite. The first block is when green flag click. So let us do that. When green flag click, you know that it is in the events. Okay, so when green flag clicked, okay, I have brought this first block for Jamie. Then what is the second one? The second one is say hello. Okay, so you know say hello is in the looks block. Say hello. Attach this say hello below this. Then wait 3 seconds. Yes, this wait for desired seconds is in the control. So this one. Now they are asking to make this value as 3 seconds. Okay, so we are going to do that. Wait for 3 seconds. Okay, now moving on to the uh, next costume. Okay, next costume. So look, go to looks block, click on next costume. Okay, then say, can you demonstrate the exercise which I taught you for 2 seconds? Okay, so now we need the say block. Say, now over here we need to type, can you demonstrate the exercise, the exercise that I taught you. Okay, so this is what we need to type, followed by the question mark. Okay, for 2 seconds, then wait 3 seconds. Okay, then go to this block, control, bring it and make this as 3 seconds. Okay, so this is it. We have finished all the uh, we have finished the script for the Jamie sprite. Now what we need to do, we need to select the ballerina sprite. So now see, the blue border is around the ballerina sprite. So the ballerina sprite has been selected. Now we need to make the script for the ballerina. Okay, so this script we have to make. When green flag click. Okay, so come to events, when green flag click. Okay, bring that over here. Moving on, next one, wait for 1 seconds. Okay, so let us bring that in the control, wait for 1 second. So she's gonna wait for 1 second now. Say yes brother. Okay, so go to looks, say yes brother. Oh, not this one. Yes brother for 1 second. So say yes brother for 1 second. Okay, now the next is wait for 2 seconds. So event, wait for 2 seconds. Then say sure for 1 second. So again go to this, say over here we are going to type sure. Okay, for 1 second. Make it 1 second. Then repeat, bring the repeat block over here. This is the repeat block, okay? And over here, instead of 10, we need to make it 4, okay? Now, again wait for 1 second. So bring this block and place it inside the repeat block. Now, next is bring the next costume and put it inside the repeat block. So next costume and put it inside the repeat block below. Wait for 1 second. Now what is going to happen with this repeat is that whatever the script tabs are inside, whatever blocks are inside this repeat are going to be repeated 4 times. Okay, the number of times you place it over here. Okay, if you click 10, then this will be repeated for 10 times, but we gonna repeat it for just 4 times as it is mentioned over here. Okay, now we have completed the script, okay, for Ballerina Sprite also. Okay, so we have completed the script for Ballerina Sprite also and for Jamie Sprite also. Now we need to check what these two are going to perform. Okay, what is going to happen when we click on this green flag? Okay, so let me show to you how these two sprites are going to interact with each other now that everything has been done. So as soon as you click on this green flag, see what happens. Jamie is saying hello, she's saying yes brother. Then Jamie is asking, can you demonstrate the exercises? And she is demonstrating the exercises by changing her costume. Okay, so this is how it's gonna happen. Okay, so again let me show you. You can see this in full screen also by clicking over here. See, this is the full screen, and now when I click on the green flag, again they are going to interact with each other according to the script. Hello, yes brother. Then can you demonstrate the exercise? Sure. And now she is going to demonstrate the exercise once, and now finished. Okay, so this is how we work with the multiple sprite. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, there is one more project that we need to do. Okay, so after clicking on the green flag button located at the top window, observe the two sprites talking to each other. We have already done that. So there is one more project that we need to do. Okay, so this is that project. Let us start that project. Okay, go to this. Okay, click on the file, and then you can save the existing project. Now if you want to save this project, you can save it. Just click on the save button and give it some name. Suppose I am giving Ballerina. Okay, and I'll click on save. So this project has been saved. Okay, now what they are saying, to make another project we need to click on the start a new project. So click on file. Okay, then click on this new. Okay, new. So see, a new project whose title is untitled has been opened. Okay, now what we need to do, replace the cat sprite with the two new sprites, Giga Walking and Pico Walking. Okay, so let us do that. Delete the cat sprite, okay, and bring two new sprites, Giga Walking. All go to Giga Walking, find the G first. This is Giga Walking, this sprite, and click on OK. And one more sprite we need to add, that is the Pico Walking. Okay, so let us find the Pico sprite. This is the Pico Walking sprite. Okay, so click on Pico Walking and click on OK. So see, these two sprites have been added. Now let us see what is the next. Add urban to backdrop from the backdrop library. So you need to change the backdrop and make this backdrop. Okay, so come over here, choose backdrop from the library, click on this, and then we need what, urban 2. So we need to go right at the bottom and search for urban 2. So this is that urban 2 backdrop and click on OK. So Now we need to reposition our sprites according to the picture over here. See, okay, Giga is in the front and Pico is at the back. So we need to do this. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Now use the blocks from the motion and looks block menu and add the script for both sprites in the scripts area shown in the figure. So see, this is the uh, script that we need to put for Giga, okay, and this is the script that we need to put for Pico, okay. So let us do that. So this is first let us do for Giga. So this sprite is Giga. Select the Giga sprite, Giga walking sprite, and come to scripts. Okay, come to scripts tab, and then let us do this. When green flag clicked, events when green flag clicked, then go to x minus 4, y minus 14. So go to x minus 4 and y minus 14. Okay, then wait for 0.5 seconds. So control wait for 0.5 seconds. Okay, now say hello Pico for 0.5 seconds. Okay, so go to looks block for 0.5 seconds. Okay, done. Now move 10 steps. So go to motion, move 10 steps. Okay, then switch costume to Giga Walk 2. So go to looks block, switch costume to Giga Walk 2. Okay, then wait for 2 seconds. Wait for 2 seconds. Then say, oh, I would have loved to for 0.5 seconds. So go to looks. Oh, I would have loved to. Okay, so after that, we need to do what? Love to full stop sum. Okay, then switch costume to Giga Walk 4. So switch costume to Giga Walk 4 is already selected. Okay, now next is uh, wait for 1 second. So go to control, wait for 1 second. Then move 10 steps. So you know it is in motion, move 10 steps. Then say, but I am going to my tuitions for 0.5 seconds. Okay, so but I'm going to my tuitions. Okay, oh, sorry, TIONS for 0.5 seconds. Done. Then move 20 steps. Move 20 steps. Switch costume to Giga Walk 2. Switch costume to Giga Walk 2. And then say bye for 0.5 seconds. So over here, okay, bye for 0.5 seconds. So this finishes the Giga scripts for Giga Walk. Now let's select Pico Walking. So this is Pico Walking. It does not have any script as of now. So we need to make this script. Okay. So first script is when green flag clicked. Okay. Then go to this. Go to motion. go to, okay, this is the go to x minus 188 y24 minus 188 and y24. Okay, then say hi giga for 0.5 seconds. Say hi giga for 0.5 seconds. Okay, now then after that we need to move 10 steps, move 10 steps. So now we need to move 10 steps. After that, switch costume to Pico Walk 2. Switch costume to Pico Walk 2. Then wait for 1 second. Wait for 1 second. Then move 10 steps. Again move 10 steps. Then say, I'm going to a party for 0.5 seconds. So say, you know I'm going for a party. Okay, for 0.5 seconds. Then say, do you want to come along for 0.5 seconds? Do you want to come along for 0. And question mark for 0.5 seconds. Then wait 2 seconds. So wait for 2 seconds. Then switch costume to Pico Walk 4. Switch costume to Pico Walk 4. Then move 10 steps. Wait for 2 seconds. Wait for 2 seconds. Then switch costume to Pico Walk 2. Switch costume to Pico Walk 2. Then say off for 0.5 seconds. Off for 0.5 seconds. Then move 30 steps. Move 30 steps. Then switch costume to Pico Walk 4. And then say okay bye for 0.5 seconds. Okay, bye for 0.5 seconds. Then move 30 steps. So move 30 steps and we finish the blocks for the second sprite, that is Pico Walk. So we have finished this, and now what we need to do is click on the green flag to start the project, and you will observe these two sprites are talking to each other. Okay, so first let me open the this full screen, and now in the full screen I'm going to click on the green flag. So let us see after clicking the green flag how they are talking to each other and how they are interacting. So this finishes the project. So I hope you are going to practice the same project on your own. Okay, and this will give you a good practice of how to work with multiple sprites and how to create interactive animations in your Scratch as a project. And then you can go to file option and you can save this project and give a name to the project and click on save. And then later on you can open this project whenever you like, and if you want to make changes you can do that also. So see, this is the project. See, Okay, so I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me uh, by commenting on the video link. Till then, now I'm going to finish this lecture. Till then, and I'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Be well.